Sound therapy, it sounds almost mystical, doesn't it? Like a secret whispered by ancient healers. In a way, it is. Sound therapy has been used for centuries across cultures to heal and soothe. Think of Tibetan monks chanting. Picture shamans using drums in their rituals. At its core, sound therapy uses different vibrations to promote healing and well-being. Everything around us vibrates, including us. Sound therapy works on the idea that these vibrations can influence our physical and mental states. It's like fine-tuning a musical instrument, but instead of an instrument, we're working with our minds and bodies. Imagine a still pond. Now toss a pebble in. See the ripples spread? Sound therapy is similar. It uses sound vibrations to create ripples of change within us. These ripples can calm the mind, ease tension, and even reduce pain. Sound therapy isn't about listening to your favorite song, though. It involves specific sounds and frequencies designed to create specific effects. It's a journey into the power of sound guided by trained practitioners. Ready to explore? Let's step into a sound therapy session. What can you expect? You might see instruments you recognize, but used in unfamiliar ways. Singing bowls, for example, are a common sight. These bowls, when struck gently, produce rich, resonant tones that seem to wash over you. Then there are tuning forks. These metal forks, when tapped, produce a specific frequency. Practitioners might place these vibrating forks on acupuncture points or energy centers to release blockages and promote flow. Another fascinating tool is the gong. Its deep, powerful vibrations resonate throughout the body, creating a sense of grounding and release. Other instruments like chimes, drums, and even the human voice are also used to create a symphony of healing sounds. Each instrument, with its unique vibrations, targets different areas of our being. Some soothe the nervous system, while others work on releasing muscle tension. It's like having a sonic toolkit for well-being. While sound therapy may seem mystical, its effects are grounded in science. Our brains respond to sound in powerful ways. Studies have shown that certain sound frequencies can actually alter brainwave activity, inducing states of relaxation and calm. Think about how you feel listening to calming music. Your heart rate slows, your breathing deepens, your body relaxes. Sound therapy takes this to a deeper level. It uses specific sounds to trigger relaxation responses, reducing stress hormones like cortisol. But the benefits go beyond relaxation. Sound therapy has shown promise in managing pain, improving sleep, and even boosting cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a gentle massage, releasing tension, and promoting clarity. Sound therapy can also be a powerful tool for emotional healing. It can help process trauma, release emotional blockages, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. It's like giving a voice to emotions that words cannot express. Let me share a story with you. A close friend, Sarah, had been struggling with anxiety for years. She tried everything: medication, therapy, you name it. Then she discovered sound therapy. After just one session, she felt a shift. The constant chatter in her mind quieted, replaced by a sense of peace she hadn't felt in years. Sound therapy isn't a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful tool on your journey to well-being. It's a way to reconnect with yourself, to find stillness in the chaos of life. If you're looking for a natural, holistic approach to health and well-being, sound therapy might be just what you need. Take a deep breath, listen to the world around you, and consider exploring the power of sound. Your mind, body, and spirit will thank you.